Hi friends, I have a new year gift for you. Guys, from today I am going to start this new initiative Predict the Unpredictable, where I will be giving you important topics and questions for the prelims 2024. Guys, last year I was able to predict more than 50 topics in the prelims 2023, and whoever followed my initiative was immensely benefited. Guys, in today's lecture, I am going to cover a very important topic for the prelims 2024 from the environment section. Guys, I am going to follow a unique approach where I am going to trace each and every topic to a PYQ and to the current affairs, and then I am going to brainstorm the topic at different layers, and I am going to give you exact questions which can come in the prelims examination. I am very sure that whoever follows this initiative for the prelims 2024, he or she will be able to increase his marks like anything. So guys, since it is a completely free initiative, don't assume it as a flower. It is completely going to be a fire. So guys, with this, let me start. So guys, recently there has been an oil spill at the Ennore Creek, and this is going to have a disastrous impact on the environment of that region. There are also concerns that this may impact the Oliver Ridley nesting. And we all know that Oliver Ridley turtles, they are very important for the prelims exam. It is one of the favorite topic of the UPSC prelims. So with this, let me first trace to the PYQs why this topic is important. So guys, in the previous lecture, I have told you that UPSC has a habit of repeating topics from the mains examination in the next year prelims examination. So guys, you can see this question number 8. This came in the mains 2023 general studies paper 3. You can read this question. What is oil pollution? What are the impacts on the marine ecosystem? In what way pollution particularly harmful for a country like India? So guys, since it came in mains 2023, so there is a high chance that it will be repeated in the prelims 2024, because UPSC has a habit of doing that. I have already explained with various case studies in my previous videos. First of all, let me explain to you why this question came in the mains examination 2023. Guys, you all know that in the year 1993, Government of India came out with National Oil Spill Disaster Contingency Plan. And guys, UPSC has a habit of following chronology. So you can see here 1993, exactly after 30 years, UPSC asked this question in the mains examination, oil pollution, 1993 and 2023. So it is a very high chance that it is going to come in the prelims examination 2024. Further, this topic has already been asked in the prelims examination many a times. You can see which bacterial strain developed from natural isolate by genetic manipulation can be used for treating oil spill. Again, you can see question which has come in prelims 2011. Recently, oil japper was in news. So oil jappers are also used for bioremediation. So you can see here two questions have already come on this topic. So I believe this topic is very important. So there are so many reasons why this question has a very high probability to come in the UPSC prelims examination 2024. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to brainstorm the topic. What are the various dimensions in which questions can come, and we will cover that. So guys, patiently stay till the end of the video, because in the end of the video I'll give you exact questions which can come on this topic. So guys, first of all, what I have done is that I have done a I've done a brainstorming over the topic. You can see here Ennore oil spill. So questions can come which are geography based, location based question. Where is this Ennore port? And why this is important, because last year only there was a question which has come on Ennore port in the prelims 2023. Next, there is a river also which has got polluted, and there is a lake also related to this topic. Everything I am going to explain to you. Next, you have to prepare oil spill, the signs of oil spill, what are the impacts of oil spill, how does it happen. Next, how oil spill is managed. Here skimming, burning, bioremediation we are going to study. And next what you need to study is National Oil Spill Contingency Plan. You see, these are the dimensions. This topic appears to be very small, but if you really want to prepare this topic thoroughly, then you have to prepare the geographical dimension, you have to prepare the science dimension, you have to prepare the environment dimension, and you have to prepare the policy dimension of the topic. So let us start with first dimension. So the first dimension we will take is the geography dimension. You can see here this topic has already been asked in the UPSC 2023. You can see here Kamaraj Port. Kamaraj Port is nothing but Ennore Port. Okay guys, so it is the first major port which is registered as a company. Okay, so therefore this is very important. Again, this is in news. You can see Ennore Creek. This I have covered in my DPN and my Optima 2024 notes, which you will get in the month of January. So guys, first of all, what you need to prepare is where is this Ennore Creek you need to prepare. So it is along the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Why it is important, this creek, why it is important? Because it has a flourishing mangrove swamp, and mangroves are very, very important marine ecosystem. And this year 2024 prelims, this is very, very important, because in 2023 there were a lot of initiatives which were launched to protect mangroves. Guys, here you can also prepare the various significance of mangroves in the context of climate change. You must be knowing about the concept called blue carbon, but I am not going to discuss mangroves now in this topic. Just I am going to tell you which are the geographical points which you need to prepare. Next important location is the Pulicat Lake. Next important location is the Pulicat Lake, because this Pulicat Lake is connected to this Ennore Creek, and there is a danger that fishermen in this region, they can also get impacted. So Pulicat Lake, you can see here, a lot of times UPSC has been asking questions on Pulicat Lake. You can see another, you can see here Pulicat Lake. UPSC has asked question in 2017. You can see again Pulicat Lake. UPSC has been asking question on Pulicat Lake. So it is very important. Next you can see this Kosa Thalyar River. Kosa Thalyar River, this river has got polluted because of the oil spill. So this river is very important. Its tributaries Nagari river is also very important, and then this Coombe river of Chennai city, which is connected to this river, is also very, very important. So you can see Kamaraj Port Ennore, which I have already discussed with you. This Coromandel coast is also very important. It has been used in the UPSC prelims many a times. You see how I am linking each and every PYQs to the current affairs and the static related to that current affairs. That is how you need to study. Guys, if you like this way of brainstorming over the topic, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video, because your every like, your every share motivates me. Please do comment that have you seen this kind of analysis anywhere in the country. So guys, even Pulicat Lake is very important, as I told you that it has been asked by UPSC many a times. So Pulicat Lagoon is the second largest brackish water lagoon after the Chilka Lake. It is present in the Coromandel region of the Andhra Pradesh Tamil Nadu border. It is having a barrier island which is Sriharikota, which separates it lake from the Bay of Bengal, and it is home to the Satish Dhawan Space Center. So it becomes very, very important for the UPSC prelims examination. The lake has Pulicat Bird Sanctuary. So a lot of migratory birds come to this bird sanctuary. So this migratory bird also you need to prepare. There is a flamingo festival which is held here. Again guys, there are two rivers which feed this lagoon. Arani river, you need to prepare this, and Kalangi river. And there is a Buckingham Canal, which is a navigational channel which is part of this lagoon. So very, very, very important, okay, for the prelims examination 2024. So this was the geographical dimension. Now we will discuss the environmental dimension. Guys, impact of oil spill. So first impact will be on marine life. So what happens whenever there is an oil spill? Because of the oil on the feathers, the insulating impact, the insulating effect of the feathers of the birds and the skins of the animals is lost. So though many marine species, they die of hypothermia. That is the first impact, insulating impact. Next, what happens is that the buoyancy impact, the buoyancy effect of the feathers of the birds and animals, it is lost. So many animals, they start drowning. They start drowning. Another impact. The third impact will be the ingestion of the oil destroys the digestive system of the animals, particularly fish, whales, etc., etc. Guys, next, the harmful chemicals. Next, the harmful chemicals because of the oil spills. What are the harmful chemicals, they can ask you? So these are volatile organic compounds such as benzene, you know how dangerous is benzene, then toluene, then styrene, then polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons like naphthalene, fluorine, and anthracene. Next, it is going to impact the entire ecosystem, the food chain, adversely. The food chain, guys, you must be knowing the concept of biomagnification and bioaccumulation. Biomagnification and bioaccumulation, this is also a very important topic, since these are not easily degraded by the animals, so they start accumulating and they destroy the entire food chain. And last but not the least, okay, oil also impacts the mangroves. When these oil is deposited on the roots of the mangroves, what happens is that these roots, which, okay, through which the respiration takes place, okay, it gets disturbed and the mangroves also can die. So this was the environmental impact of the oil spill. Now we will discuss the various methods which can be used to clean the oil spill. So one method is called containment boom, other is called skimmers, then sorbents, then dispersing agents, and last but not the least, the most important one is bioremediation. Guys, bioremediation has already been asked by the UPSC 2 times, as I have shown you at the start of this session. You can see this question which has come on: which bacterial strain developed from natural isolates by genetic manipulation can be used for treating oil spill? The answer is Pseudomonas bacteria. The answer is Pseudomonas bacteria. And here you can see oil japper. The answer is, okay, the answer you can see where there is a cleaning of oil. You can see here it is an eco-friendly technology for remediation of oil sludge. Remediation of oil sludge. Okay guys, you can see this. So let us come back to this topic, how bioremediation happens. So guys, you can see we have developed the oil zappers. We have developed the oil zappers, or Olivorus S or Olivorus S. What are these oil zappers or Olivorus S? They are consortium of bacteria which have the ability to degrade the oil compounds, which have the ability to degrade, to break down the hydrocarbons in the oil. Very, very important, oil zappers. And what is the different types of bacteria? The different types of bacteria is this bacteria, we can name Pseudomonas bacteria. You can see here, I have put, you can see here Pseudomonas putida and Bacillus cereus. And why this is important? Because this bacteria was engineered by an Indian scientist, who now lives in US, and he has been given a lot of awards also. What is the name of the scientist? Please do comment in the comment box. Let me see how many of you are able to answer it. So guys, you see how we have taken a topic and how we have brainstormed on every aspect of the topic. Last but not the least, we have to discuss this National Oil Spill Disaster Contingency Plan, which was launched in year 1993. So this is 30 years of this oil spill plan. So this is a very, very important topic which can come in the prelims examination. Here, one thing you need to keep in mind, that this plan has designated Indian Coast Guard as the central coordinating authority for managing containing oil spills in India. Very, very important. Very, very important. The objectives of the plan is what? To detect and to report oil spill, to measure the preparedness of the oil spill and to keep record, etc., and to develop various techniques to prevent, control, and combat oil spills. Guys, oil spills cannot be completely stopped. Why? Because see, India is the third largest oil importer, and most of the oil gets imported into India through sea routes only. So obviously there will be some oil spill. So what we need to do is that we need to have a contingency disaster plan for that, and which we already have, which was established in the 1993. Indian Coast Guard is the central coordinating authority. So question can directly come, which of the following is the central coordinating authority for oil spill management? And they will give you option: Indian Navy, they can give you second Indian Coast Guard, they can give you MOEF, they can give you Ministry of Shipping, they can give you this. The answer will be Indian Coast Guard. You see how we have brainstormed this topic from all the dimensions, from the geographical dimension, then from the science dimension, then from the environment dimension, and then last but not the least is the policy dimension, oil spill contingency plan. So guys, like this I am covering each and every topic in our Optima test. So now we will discuss briefly the Oliver Ridley turtles, because there is a fear that this oil spill can disturb the Oliver Ridley turtles. So guys, in Oliver Ridley turtles, what kind of question come? First question can come is what is their status? You can see their status is Schedule 1 in the Wildlife Protection Act, which is one of the highest schedule. Then IUCN status is vulnerable, and site status is Appendix 1, which is also one of the highest levels of protection. So this is very, very important. Another important topic what they can ask is what are the nesting sites of Oliver Ridley turtle? Because this Ennore Creek, they are saying that oil spill through this, they can get to the nesting sites of the Oliver Ridley turtle. So guys, the main site of Oliver Ridley turtle in India is the Rushikoila River in the Ganjam district and Kandhamal district of Odisha, which where mass nesting takes place. Second, Rushikoila River is very important. Next is the Gahirmatha River. Again, this is a mass nesting ground for Oliver Ridley. This Gahirmatha River is also very important. Next is the Devi River. Where sporadic nesting takes place. Next, in the Lakshadweep Island, we have the Suheli Island. Next, in Andhra Pradesh, we have the Godavari River. Next, in Andhra Pradesh, again we see here sporadic nesting takes place. Next, again you see in Andhra Pradesh beaches along the Krishna River and Pennoru River. Again some sporadic Oliver Ridley nesting sites are there. Then comes the Puducherry. In Puducherry, again you can see in the Nalavadu and Panithidhu areas, again you see a Karaikal region, again nesting takes place. Then in Tamil Nadu, which is the topic now, Gulf of Mannar. Then Chennai coast, you see this Ennore is situated near the Chennai coast only. You see Chennai coast, Oliver Ridley turtle sporadic takes place. So it is very, very important. Next, it also some nesting takes place in Gujarat, then some in Sindhugarh coast of Maharashtra, the Raigad coast, Ratnagiri coast, and few times even in Goa also sporadic nesting takes place. So question can come, that this nesting of this Oliver Ridley turtles only happens in Odisha. The answer will be no. You can see here Odisha, Lakshadweep, Andhra, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa. So entire coast except the Kerala and Karnataka, entire coast this Oliver Ridley like nesting takes place. So you see how we have brainstormed the topic with so many dimensions. So like this I am brainstorming the topics and I am framing questions in my Lakshya series, which is a test based mentorship program for the prelims 2024. In the Lakshya series, guys, I am giving you free CSAT mentorship, around 100 hours of CSAT guidance, where I am giving you concept lectures, I am giving you questions for practice, I am giving you practice sessions also. And along with that, in the Lakshya series we have, you can see here, very high quality 65 test very high quality 65 test, NCRT level test, advanced level test, monthly current affairs test, important question. You can see like this, what I'm doing is I'm brainstorming each and every topic and I'm asking important question which is called the optima questions. Like this brainstorming, each and every important topic I'll brainstorm like this, and I'll be asking in the optima and the full length questions, guys. So if you are very sincere for the prelims 2024 and if you want to crack the prelims 2024, this series is going to help you boost your marks, guys. UPSC prelims examination, whoever works hard, okay, will get somewhere around the cutoff. But if you want to be sure that I want to clear the cutoff in the prelims 2024, then these questions can really give you an edge over your competition, guys. UPSC prelims, remember, it is a competition. There is no absolute performance. Many in on YouTube, okay, who have themselves not cracked prelims, they will say what it is, okay, it is, you have to compete yourself and all that. But guys, let me tell you frankly, UPSC prelims is a comparative competition. So you have to excel over the others. You have to excel over the others. You have to perform better than others. There's no fixed that if you get 80 you will clear, or you will get 90 you will clear, or you will get 100 you will clear. It is not like that. Okay, every year the cutoff is going to change. Okay, last year it was 79, this year it can be 70, it can be 90, it can be 110 also. No one knows what will be the cutoff. But one thing is very sure, that if your performance is better than the others, if you are doing something which others are not doing, for example, let me tell you, 90% of the students who come to me, when I ask them, are you solving questions in the new pattern? No, sir, I'm not solving. Why? Sir, I have old test papers. I have the PYQs. I have the coaching institute's PDFs of last year. I'm solving that. Guys, when UPSC is changing pattern with every year, then why the hell are you not practicing question in the new pattern? That is the mistake you do. And then you say that I prepared for the entire year, still I have failed to crack prelims. Give me one reason why you should crack prelims if you are not practicing question in the new pattern. So guys, it is high time you start practicing question in the new pattern. All these tests are framed in the new pattern, and it is very important for you to get comfortable with the new pattern. The more and more questions you solve, you will get comfortable with the new pattern. So these are the tests in the new pattern, guys. If you like this initiative, if you like this manner in which I have analyzed this topic in detail, and if you want me to continue, I want you to support this initiative. I want you to share this initiative with your friends and everyone who is preparing for the prelims 2024. And please do comment, did you like this analysis? It motivates me, and I will be coming out with such detailed analysis in future also. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Again, a very, very happy and prosperous year.